Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is May 21st, 2022, and I'm going to cover gold, silver, and senior gold miners GDX. Let's start with gold. This is a daily chart. On a weekly basis, gold added 2%, closing at $1,846. Most importantly, gold managed to recover and close back above the major rising trend line. Last week, gold broke down a 3.5-year trend line and closed below on a weekly basis. I suggested that it is likely to be a false breakdown, engineered to force last bits of weak hands out of the market that had managed to survive this far. Legitimate breakdowns normally take more time to form, and breakdowns occur with more intensity, resulting in a deeper and swift declines. We didn't witness that, as gold largely negated the major rising trend line and closed just under, suggesting that it has no desire to further extend decline. Let's go back to a present chart. I was surprised how quickly gold reversed after a breakdown. The metal trading back above a key trend line is a very positive sign, confirming that the recent breakdown was a false one. Let's zoom in. Note that on May 17th, gold tested the trend line, but failed and only managed to overcome it 2 days later, on May 19th. The reversal coincided with gold breaking out from the month-long falling channel formation on May 19th, which pushed senior gold miners GDX almost 6% on a day. Miners confirming a move in gold is always a good sign. After a false breakdown, gold chart looks much more constructive, and I believe it might push a little bit higher over the coming week. However, I don't expect any significant advance, since the number of outstanding June contracts that expire by the end of May is still quite high. Over the passing week, over 100,000 contracts were rolled over to the next most actively traded month of August. However, quite a large number of outstanding contracts suggest more volatility over the coming week. In fact, we cannot exclude brief dips under the major rising trend line. Move towards $1,900 level is likely to happen in the first decade of June. Finally, let's have a quick look at the silver. The metal continues to trade within a 2-year giant flagship formation, and after a recent breakdown, it managed to recover, but not as convincingly as gold. I would like to see silver trade well above $22 to confirm that it is out of woods. Largely, I believe worst is over for precious metals. We shall have one more tough week ahead, following which gold and silver will likely start a nice cycle up over the weeks to come. Stay well and enjoy the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.